9, 8, 7. MCC to control conforming even 5 completed. 4. MCC to control conforming engine 5 start. 2, 1, 0.
Ignition confirmed.
Liftoff. Plus 5 seconds.
Liftoff confirmed.
10, 9, 8, 7. MCC to control conforming even 5 completed. 4. MCC to control conforming engine 5 start. 2, 1, 0.
Ignition confirmed.
Liftoff. Plus 5 seconds.
Liftoff confirmed.
10, 9, 8, 7. MCC to control conforming even 5 completed. 4. MCC to control conforming engine 5 start. 2, 1, 0.
Ignition confirmed.
Liftoff. Plus 5 seconds.
Liftoff confirmed.
Plus 10 seconds.
P3 tracking.
Plus 15 seconds.
P4 tracking.
R2 tracking.
Plus 20 seconds.
P2 tracking.
P1 tracking.
Plus 25 seconds. Plus 30 seconds.
Maneuver happened. Wind biasing is completed.
Plus 1 minute.